they know we're eating.
Yeah, probably. Just act like you're eating. Great, that's good. Throw it up in the air. Throw it up in the air.
But if I throw it up in the air, then
throw it.
I'm gonna drop
Just
it,
throw it.
and then they're gonna eat it, and I'm not gonna have it anymore.
Throw it. I have one right here. Back up.
Just up and high in the air?
Yep.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Okay. Way high? But it's okay. What if it lands right here?
That'd be perfect.
I'll show you. I'm gonna throw it right up there, right on you.
Wait, it has to be in camera view.
Well,
You can throw it that way.
okay. It's just gonna land, and then it's totally anticlimactic. Little higher, sweetheart. I know, I'm just letting them know that I have it. Oh, come here, come here.
Do it again.
This was good, this is helpful. They're like, what are you people doing? I know, they're like, just throw it. You're supposed to just throw it. You're supposed to get it though, that's the thing. You were supposed to keep it.
Throw it up. Throw it up.
Oh, excuse you. Here, have this one. That's an annoying one. You are so annoying. I know you want it. You know it. You know it's good. Come here. Maybe if it's higher away from me, they'll get it. What if that big one gets it? Oh, it's for you. Oh! Oh! Too loud. I was afraid. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. That was your only chance and you missed.
Just hold it still. Hold it still.
It's all gone. Bye bye. How about this one? You can do it. What was your trick? Oh, well, I kind of throw some stuff out sometimes. Oh, well. There's some coming. There, here, let's get it. Yay!
Nice.
Did you get it?
Yeah. There's more.
Oh my gosh, there's more. This looks good. I think I've had enough.
All done?
Yeah, I mean, we can give this to them, I guess.